To download and install DaVinci Resolve on a Mac, start by opening a browser, such as Safari, and searching for DaVinci Resolve. Look for the website of the company that makes the software, Blackmagic Design, and select it. Once on the site, scroll down and click on the Free Download option. Choose the Mac OS X version of the software. Then register with your information to initiate the download. After registering, a download link will be provided, and the file should start downloading automatically. The file size is approximately 3.38 GB, so be aware of this during the download process. Once the download is complete, open the file, which will launch a new window. If you have an M1 or M2 chip in your Mac, you may be prompted to install Rosetta, a software that allows your MacBook to be compatible with Intel-based Mac software. Select Install Resolve and follow the installation prompts. You may need to enter your password and select Install Software to proceed. The installer will guide you through the process, which includes reading and agreeing to the terms and license agreement. The installation requires approximately 5.7 GB of space on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you can move the installation file to the trash to save space. To open DaVinci Resolve, use the search bar on your Mac to find the application. Then select it to launch. The software may take a moment to load, and you will be given the option to go through a quick setup or start using it immediately. Select Continue or Skip and Start to begin using DaVinci Resolve. With these steps, you should now have DaVinci Resolve installed and be ready to start editing videos on your Mac.